Welcome back to Microbial Minds. I'm Dr. Sukant Khurana, and today we are zooming in on something that's transforming how we fight diseases. AI in drug discovery, from designing new antibiotics to predicting resistance. Artificial intelligence isn't just accelerating the process, it's rewriting the rules. Joining me again is someone who lives at the intersection of machine learning and microbes. Vikram, it's great to have you.
Always a pleasure, Dr. Sukant. So today's topic is very close to my heart. AI is not just a tool in the lab anymore, it is becoming a co-discoverer.
Absolutely. Let's begin with the basics. What do you actually mean by AI drug discovery and why is it so urgent now?
That's a great place to start. So at its core, AI drug discovery uses algorithms, especially machine learning and deep learning, to automate and optimize key steps like molecular screening, structure prediction, lead optimization, toxicity forecasting. It matters now more than ever because one traditional drug development takes 15 to 20 years and billions of dollars. Then we are facing superbugs, emerging viruses, and diseases that evolve faster than we can respond. And AI can shorten timelines, cut costs, and expand chemical space where it never reached manually.
Yeah, it's like going from horse-drawn carts to space shuttles, but for a molecular design. Now, molecular docking is often the first step in drug design. How is AI supercharging this?
See, classic docking relied on static rules, but biology can be messy. And AI and ML brings flexibility and speed. So deep docking uses neural networks to predict how millions of compounds bind to protein targets in minutes. Then there is graph neural network (GNN), which treat molecules as graphs, learning structure activity relationship dynamically. In hit to lead, Bayesian optimization and active learning help refine promising compounds faster without even testing every option in the lab.
Yeah, that's rather, again, a very interesting view of how things have sort of changed. Now, instead of brute force screening, we are kind of getting to smart navigation of chemical space.
Exactly. The AI doesn't just dock, it learns which molecules are worth docking in the first place.
Okay, this is where it gets sci-fi. You're telling me AI can invent sort of entirely new molecular structures.
Yes, and this is one of the most exciting frontiers. Generative AI like GANs, VAEs, and diffusion models can design molecules from scratch. For example, one landmark study from MIT used deep learning to generate Halicin, a novel antibiotic that works on multi-drug resistant strains. So now we are seeing reinforcement learning agents that evolve molecules with target affinity and low toxicity. Then there are language models like Cambert A and Multi 5 that understand smiles like GPT understands sentences.
Okay, I am genuinely, yeah, I'm shocked even though I live in this world. So AI can dream up new antibiotic the way an artist imagines a sculpture.
Absolutely. And then simulate it in silico to refine it before we ever synthesize it in a lab.
Now let's flip the coin. Bugs evolve, resistance emerges. Can AI help us stay ahead of microbial evolution?
Yes, and this is vital. So AI helps us predict where resistance will emerge before it even happens. So ML models can analyze mutation landscape and simulate how bacterial genomes will evolve under drug pressure. And protein folding models like AlphaFold can track structural changes that lead to resistance. Then there is time series AI models, which use clinical and environmental data to forecast resistance hotspots globally. This means smarter drug stewardship and preemptive design of resistance evading molecules.
We are no longer reacting, we are strategizing like microbial chess. Last segment, let's peek into the future. How will deep learning and reinforcement learning shape the next decade of drug discovery?
The future is very interactive, adaptive, and co-designed by AI and humans. So we have transformer models that handle sequence data like proteins and DNA alongside chemical language. Then there is reinforcement learning agents optimizing molecules in real time for solubility, selectivity, and bioavailability. and ultimately closed loop discovery systems where AI designs, simulates, refines, and even predicts regulatory success.
That's again really beautiful. And perhaps one day AI guided discovery pipelines will be running 24/7, designing cures while we sleep.
Right, and every microbe, every mutation rightfully mapped and outpaced.
Vikram, today's discussion makes it clear AI isn't replacing scientists, it's amplifying imagination and
Mm,
accelerating insights.
uh, that is correct. And we are standing at the dawn of a new kind of biology, which is algorithmically enhanced, exponentially fast, and radically personalized. And the key is responsible deployment.
Well said. From molecules to models, we are reimagining medicine with machines. This is Microbial Minds. I'm Dr. Sukant Khurana. Stay tuned. Our next episode explores AI, natural products,
Uh,
and ancient herbal wisdom through modern lens. Until then, think big, design smarter, and stay cultured.